The animal kingdom. Every animal species is one of a kind. However, they are all members of the animal kingdom. They belong to groups based on common features. What are birds? Birds are one of the 5 main classes of vertebrates. They are the only class with feathers. Birds are warm-blooded animals. They keep a constant body temperature. Soft feathers called down keep them warm in cold climates. Birds begin life inside hard, waterproof eggs. Parents incubate the eggs as the birds develop inside. Baby birds hatch from the eggs. They use their beaks to break out of the shells. Feathers and flight. Some birds are nearly bald when they hatch. Others are covered with down. All birds grow adult feathers. They molt their feathers once or twice a year. Not all feathers are used for flight. Some birds move on the ground or in water. Ostriches can sprint over 40 miles, 65 kilometers, per hour on land. Penguins often glide through water. Many birds that fly migrate with the seasons. They travel to warm places during cold winter months. These places offer more hours of daylight and more food. Birds can perform amazing feats. The peregrine falcon is the fastest animal in the world. It dives through the air at 200 miles, 332 kilometers, per hour. The quick cheetah could never keep up with this bird. Big name birds.